Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you're LS swapping an E30 and an E36 BMW and you need a cooling solution for your radiator system, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. This radiator is constructed of only the finest materials, TIG welded right here in-house. This radiator is designed using a US made 2.25-inch core to ensure maximum cooling capacity for the street or the track. The radiator utilizes all the factory mounting positions, so there's no cutting, welding, or fabrication required. The machine's 6061 billet aluminum fittings ensure perfect placement of the radiator in the engine compartment, utilizing the factory mounting locations. The radiator comes equipped with a magnetic drain plug. The radiator also includes an 1/8-inch NPT port for easy access and hookup of your steam vent off your LS engine. Out of the box, this radiator is designed to work in either the E30 or E36 BMW chassis. The radiator is designed as a dual-pass system to ensure proper cooling for the bigger LS engines. The radiator includes this fan shroud and fan assembly. The fans we use in this kit are high performance, made by Spall. Having the radiator inlets and outlets on the passenger side makes for an easy installation utilizing the SIKKY custom molded high-grade silicone hoses. These high-quality hoses are designed to line up with the LS1 and LS2 water pump inlet and outlets. LS3 coolant hoses are in development and should be available shortly. To learn more about this radiator and the other cooling system products we make for your next LS swap, make sure you log on to SIKKY.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.